My name is Mr.Wakeel. I am from Mauritius. I have been working since 3 years with my father in Mauritius. He has his own workshop. Before I was doing electrical work, but I was having problem in Ecm repairing and programming. I searched online for Ecm repairing centers. Then I found Purnima Automotive, which is an experience center. It is operating since 20 years. I contact Mehboob sir, which he gave me explanation about the course, what I will learn. And I have chosen this center because I can see on the net there was a lot of foreign students here, and Mehboob sir was replying my message instantly. This is why I have chosen this center. When I came here, I learned new stuff, work which I was not able to do in Mauritius. Now I will be able to do it. Like, for example, I have learned airbag programming. I have learned ECM programming. I have learned how to turn emo off on ECM. I have learned how to repair ECM, like if there is broken resistors or broken tracks. I have learned how to program key programming for lot of Japanese cars like Toyota, Honda, Nissan. I have learned how to do mileage correction for BMW, Mercedes. Shanawa have provide me with option which tool I can buy. Like there is a X tool, there's a VVDI MB tool, there is a Hotel IM608 tool. The center have recommended me all these tools. I have been studying in this center since 25 days. I am very satisfied with everything which I have learned. I want to thank Purnima Automotive, its staff, Mehboob sir, Shanawa sir, Reza sir, and everyone here who have welcomed me very well. They are very nice guys. They have helped me a lot. Thank you, Purnima Automotive. Thank you.